Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I teach you Chinese grammar in a fun and easy way. Today we are going to look at a very common and simple sentence. 为什么? This sentence means why, and it is used to ask for a reason or an explanation. Let's break it down into two parts. The first part is 为, which is a preposition that means for or because of. It indicates the cause or the purpose of something. For example, 我为你做饭 means I cook for you or I cook because of you. The second part is 什么, which is a pronoun that means what. It is used to ask for information or to express uncertainty. For example, 你在做什么 means what are you doing? When we put these two parts together, we get 为什么, which literally means for what, or because of what. This is how we ask why, in Chinese. For example, if someone says 我不喜欢吃辣的, which means I don't like spicy food, you can reply with 为什么 to ask them why they don't like spicy food. So, that's it for today's lesson. I hope you learned something new and useful. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are learning Chinese. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on Chinese grammar. Thank you for watching and see you next time.